Now HandiFox Online can integrate with Shopify, the popular e-commerce platform. When the integration with Shopify is set up, new orders placed at your Shopify store will flow into HandiFox, where they can be picked and packed using our mobile app. Pick lists and packing slips can be printed in the process, and barcode scanning will speed up the work. See more on this in our other videos. Once a paid order is picked and packed, we generate an invoice and the corresponding payment, which will also go to your QuickBooks. HandiFox provides a flexible way to control and verify order fulfillment and lets you have records of your Shopify sales in QuickBooks.